guys, so I've got a video today. I think it was last week's Saturday video, the vlog. You would have seen I've got a Zara package, and I actually got 2 more come today. I only did 1 order, but they were coming from different warehouses or something. So I got 3 packages, but their packaging, if I take, like, you can't see the dress, like, 2 of the stuff came in these brown bags, and 1 came in this brown box, which had 2 stuff in. 1 was a bit bulkier. This one, the last package came today, which 2 of the packages were meant to come on the 14th of May, and it's before that. 1 came literally, ordered it, and 2 days after it said it was dispatched, and they got it the 3rd day or something, which is really good. And the other 2 have come before they were meant to, which is also really good. I got, and it's like the 6th of May today. Anyway, let's get on in with the haul. It came in this dust bag thing. Zara's packaging seems to be very non-plastic, which is good. And I bought this for my brother. For my nephew, his birthday, which isn't until October, but I couldn't resist buying it now, and it's a Mickey Mouse backpack, and it was $15.99, but I think originally it was $25 or something. It just looks like this. It's like, not like a soft toy, it's like that, a MAC material, like waterproof material, but I don't know if it is waterproof. I just realised it's got like his trousers are a front pocket. I don't know, actually no they're not, because it goes all the way through. Scrap that. But he does have a zip on his back. I mean, it's not a very functional backpack, but, and half of it is stuffing. But you can get, what's he going to carry around realistically? He's going to be 2. My sister-in-law loves everything Disney, and he's got loads of Mickeys and everything, so I thought this was really nice. The ears don't stand up though, but yeah, I thought that was a nice present. So the second thing I got also came in one of these dust bags as well, and it was this. If you watched my Wednesday video, you would have seen this already, and it's just a card case with a long strap. Second look at it, I don't know if you would be able to get this out of the loops, because you would have to undo these bits as well, which I suppose isn't too bad. I don't know if you can see that these bits here to get it out, but I just really like the colour. And this was £9.99 instead of £15.99 or £15. It came in like a dust bag thing instead of plastic, and they all come wrapped in like this tissue paper as well. This was the 2nd package, and I got this because I bought that for my nephew's birthday, so I had to buy something for my niece's birthday. They're only a few months apart. I bought her this. I'm not going to unfold it, no, but it's a jumper, and yeah, it's just so sweet. It's obviously Snoopy, yeah, with hearts on in this beige colour, and I think this, yeah, this was $14.99, so £15, and you can get it from 6 to 9 months all the way up to 4 to 5 years, which is nice. So yeah, really nice that. Yeah, just really like that. I do find some of Zara baby clothes quite expensive, but I'll have to put that back in the packaging in a minute. Then moving on to today's package, just open it up, and it comes wrapped in this tissue paper with a sticker there. This is the only thing it comes in. It's not in plastic or anything like ASOS or anything like that. And I bought these, which hopefully I'll do like a cutaway picture. Are trousers with an elasticated waist. Hopefully these are going to fit because I got them in a small. They're classed as a jogger, but that's just because they've got an elasticated waist. They're not jogging material, and they've got a built-in turn-up already, so hopefully that means I can like turn them up some more because I'm short. So yeah, they look like this. These were on sale as well. These don't. Oh, they do. They were they were $29.99. It says wind dry. I don't know what that means. By Stretch Quick Dry Cooling and Comfort Moisture Management UV Cut. They were $29.99. They were originally more than that. Let me see if I can see, because I can't remember. They're originally €39.95 actually. That is. Don't know, but yeah, hopefully they will look good. They've got pockets, they've got back pockets that I need to open, and they're just in this check, because I do have check trousers but they're quite tight at the moment, so I thought a jogging bottom kind of thing is quite good. I thought they were cheaper than that, to be honest. I don't think they were £30, because my whole order didn't come to more than, it was 54. I'm gonna have to check. I thought I didn't pay $29.99 for them. They were £15.99, which isn't too bad actually. They were in the sale obviously, and I'm going to do my next video. I'm going to be doing a how I style them basically. So hopefully you'll enjoy that soon. Hope you're all well. I'm filming this on the Thursday, but hopefully tomorrow Boris is going to be giving us another update on lockdown. I'm totally fine with not coming out of lockdown. I'd rather be safe than sorry, but we'll just see. So I hope you guys are all staying well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.